Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser, and in my Chrome browser I just want to make a scroll is a smooth option. What I have to do here, on top of your search box, that is address box, just type Chrome double colon double slash and flags. Once you enter this one, automatically the Chrome flags will be open here. So this is called for experiments. So I have given the description, this Chrome double colon slash and flags. So here the search flags will be there. Just type smooth. When you type a smooth, mean the smooth scrolling will be enabled. So animate smooth when you scrolling page content, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and everything. So here there will be a default setting will be there. Just hit the button default to enable. Once you click enable, it will ask you for the relaunch your Google Chrome. Just click here for the relaunch, automatically close your relaunch, and it will open again, so that it will be easy to have access with a scroll method. So while I scroll down, the smoothness will become over here, so the enabling option will be added here. So whatever I just read for the Wikipedia or any type of networking or any types of medium, if I search or anything else, I just need to get a different types of scrolling option will be enabled, so I can able to feel that the scrolling will be feel free and smooth, so that while I use a Google Chrome, I can able to understand to get a smooth feel of my texture. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Howard channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.